Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to screen mirror to my Samsung TV. As you can see here, this is my Samsung TV. It's running Tizen and I'm going to show you you can screen mirror to the TV. Alright, so one of the first things you're going to do is make sure that the TV is connected to the Wi-Fi. This is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, doesn't matter. As long as it's a Samsung, it should work. And of course, even if you have some other phones, it doesn't really matter. All right, so if it's a Samsung, it's quite easy. Everything you need is already on the phone, so let's get straight into it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do guys on your Samsung device is to go ahead and you're gonna swipe down from the right. Once you do, you're gonna be in this menu here. Now you're gonna notice some buttons right here. As you can see, it says Smart View. Now if your device doesn't have Smart View pre-installed as on Samsung's, what you can actually do is to go ahead and find Smart Things within the Play Store, install it to your device, and then use it. All right, so it's an app just the same. So note says screen mirror. It's very easy. So you're gonna tap on it. Make sure that the phone and the TV is connected to the same network. Notice here it says previously connected. So I've already connected it before. Now you're gonna go ahead and tap. It says connecting. Do note if there's a notification on the TV, go ahead and allow, especially for the first time. And if for some reason it refuses to connect or refuses to screen mirror, go ahead and turn off your TV and go ahead and restart your phone and turn both back on. If you do that, what should happen is that the screen mirror should work flawlessly. If it's a device that you have connected to before, it tends to behave like that for the very first time. Notice it says connecting up there. All right, so you allow it to do its thing. Just give it a few minutes. And it says still says previously connected. It's doing its thing. And of course, any other notifications are telling to do anything on the device, go ahead and do it. And it should connect. All right, in this case, it did not connect. So watch what I'm going to do now. I'm going to simply go ahead and I'm going to restart the device and I'm going to try again. And you're going to see that it connects easily. All right, there it goes. I have just simply, well, I didn't even have to restart. All I did was to tap it again for the second time. And once I did it for the second time, it came up. All right, so there was no need to restart. But as you can see here, it's connected. And anything that I do on the screen here, it's reflected on the TV in the background. All right, so it's working flawlessly, as you can see. Very nice. I could even watch YouTube even now, and whatever I do or whatever I view will end up being shown on the TV, including games and apps as well. All right, so quite nice, and I do hope you can find new uses for that when you want to end. It's very easy. All you gotta do in that case, if you want to end, is simply go ahead and tap this option here. It will bring up the options. You can change aspect ratio. For example, if you want it to be wider, you can select a better aspect ratio. Or I can say pause smart view, or I can hit disconnect. I'm gonna hit disconnect. There you go. It returns to normal. All right. So that's how to screen mirror to a Samsung TV in the easiest way possible. All right. And it's very convenient. You can disconnect and connect. Another tip as well. If you find you're doing like YouTube, playing a YouTube on your device and it starts to lag on the TV, simply disconnect and reconnect. If that doesn't work, you can always go ahead as well and try to reboot both devices. That will fix the issue. And then you can see again there, it easily connects back and forth. All right. So works for logs and so on. All right. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.